Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Programming Hub and signing in so your progress syncs. Choose one language and one beginner to intermediate course. This keeps focus and avoids context switching. Once done, enable notifications and offline sync so lessons are available anytime. Open the first lesson and tap the interactive code editor. You will run live examples immediately. Make sure to grant storage permission so snippets save. This gets you writing real code, fast instead of just reading theory. You now work through lessons and actively edit examples in the app's editor. Typing changes reinforces concepts. After each module, do them in a project. These bridge lessons to practical skills and expose gaps. Once you hit a quiz question, try it, then review hints only as needed so you learn problem solving. Repeat exercises until the output matches expected results. If a snippet is useful, copy it to your local IDE to expand. This prepares you for real projects outside the app. You wrap up by completing the capstone project and exporting or sharing your repository to demonstrate skill. Then, review topics you struggled with using spaced repetition so retention becomes durable. Once confident, fork the project and add a feature to solidify learning. If something breaks, inspect the console logs first to identify syntax or runtime issues, then reset the lesson state or clear cache. As a last resort, reinstall the app. This resolves corrupt local data while preserving your synced progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.